Alright, this is my 2017 S1000R. Today we're going to be showing you how to take off the fairings. You're going to remove this bolt right here, this bolt here, there's another one down here, and then you also have to remove these lower panels or lower fairings, and one bolt right here. You can keep this black portion on, or this little grill looking thing, either connected to either side, or you can completely just disconnect it. I'll probably leave it connected to one or the other sides. Alright, now that I've taken all of the bolts out, there is like a small grommet that sits back here, so you want to very gently pull the fairing, start to pull it away from the bike, and you can feel it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, so I've got it loosened up a bit. It should come out now. Just pull very slightly and then go out forward. That's what it sits into, and that's what it looks like, so be careful you don't break that post off. As well as you can either pop that out down there to remove that lower fairing, or just keep the two pieces together. Right, so now that we have the fairings off, you can go ahead and check your coolant level, make sure that's good to go. This is an oxygen sensor. That is where it plugs into. You can follow the sheath down here and you can see where it plugs in. If you ever change out your exhaust, you need that, or if you add some type of tuning module to your bike, you may need to access or delete those altogether. So now let's go to the other side. Now that we're on the other side of the bike, all you have to do is take out the same 3 screws on the top fairing, and then 2 of the bottom screws on the other fairing, and you can pull it off. Okay, so I've removed this lower fairing. Like I said here, you can see where that plugs into that, to the top fairing. You also have 2 breather hose that come down from the engine, so you just pull those out of the little grommets right there, and then you can set this off. All right, so we got the other side off. Here you can see your horn. You have the other O2 sensor, and yeah, that's about it. So that's how you take off your fairings on a BMW S1000R. This is a 2017, so it may be different from the 14 to 16 models, but I believe there are other videos on YouTube you can check out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.